Good afternoon, students. So let us continue our classes. So till now we have seen how to find out contribution, fixed cost, and we have seen PV ratio. So PV ratio we have written formula. Some formulas are here. So PV ratio we can find out easily. How to find out contribution by sales into 100, or we can say contribution as sales minus variable cost, or we can say fixed cost plus profit divided by sales into 100, or we can say 1 minus variable cost divided by sales, or we can say formula change in contribution divided by change in sales. So PV ratios formulas, we are having different formulas. This is based on the question information. Okay, and we have solved some problems also on PV ratio. After PV ratio, we have seen how to find out BEP. So BEP can be we have seen in yesterday's class what is BEP and all. So BEP is what units we can find out, in value rupees we can find out. BEP in units, how to find out? It's very easy. We have tried numerator fixed cost divided by fixed contribution per unit, or BEP in rupees divided by selling price per unit. Okay. Then BEP in rupees, how to find out? It's very easy. Fixed cost by PV ratio, or fixed cost into sales divided by contribution. This is per unit per unit. If it is per unit is given, you do per unit. If it is given in value, you can take in value. Okay. Then actual sales minus margin of safety, or we can say fixed cost per BEP. Okay. This we have seen yesterday's classes. Today one more formula will understand, that calculation of output or sales for desired level of profit. So we want profit will be given in the question. We want to find out sales. Okay. So profit will be given in the question. We have to find out sales. So what he says, calculation of one more formula. Calculation of what is saying, output or sales. Output, the other name for output is sales. So we have to find out calculation of output or sales. Okay. For desired level of profit. For desired level of profit. Okay. So this is very easy. So what we are saying, we have to find out profit, we have to find out sales, so that we have to earn profit. So what will be given in the question? In the question, desired level of profit will be given. So you have to find out what will be the sales amount, you have to find out. Okay. So we are having two formulas for finding out sales or output. This will be given. He will ask you to find out sales. Okay, break even we know. Break even means no profit, no loss. So we want the profit will be given. So we want to earn some profit. To earn this profit, how many units we have to sell? That we have to find out. Okay, take example. See, BEP is given. We know BEP. BEP means 4,000 units. Take example. Just take example. BEP is 4,000 units, and we know here BEP there will be no profit, no loss. But what he will give? He'll give profit. He will give profit in question. He'll give profit. The company wants to earn profit of rupees 5,000. So how many units they have to sell? Means they have to sell above BEP, right? Means above BEP there will be profit. Okay. So below BEP there will be loss, and at BEP there will be no profit, no loss. This we have seen yesterday. Now what we are saying profit. To earn profit, the company wants to earn some profit of rupees 5,000, and he will ask you to find out output. How many units we have to sell? Okay. At BEP we know there will be no profit, no loss, but the company wants to earn some 5,000 rupees profit. The company wants to earn some profit of rupees for 5,000. They will ask you to find out how much units we have to sell. Okay. That is called calculation of output or sales for desired level of profit. Okay. So we are having two formulas. So let us write formulas. Next, output or sales. We have two formulas, output or sales for desired profit. For desired means we are saying in advance that we want to earn some profit amount. That is called desired profit. How much we want to earn, that will be given in question. That is called desired profit. This will be given. What is the formula? Formula is very easy. We are taking help of fixed BEP formula. Fixed cost divided by, we'll write contribution per unit. Okay, this is the formula for BEP we know. Contribution per unit. This is formula of BEP we know. Okay, but what we'll add in the numerator, we'll add desired profit. That's simple. That's easy. Same like BEP. See, if I do not write this will be what? BEP formula. BEP means what? BEP, no profit, no loss. But we want to earn profit. That's why I'm writing numerator as desired profit. To earn this profit, how much units will we have to find out? Okay, that's called output or sales for desired profit. This is one formula, and one more formula we are having, or one more formula, sales for desired profit. Okay, sales for desired profit. Formula is same, fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio into 100. These two formulas we are having same. Fixed cost BEP formula is there, but instead of what we are writing, we are adding desired profit and multiply with 100. That's it. So we are having two formulas to find out desired profit. To earn desired profit, how much sales we have to do. Okay. So we'll do a problem where we have to find out contribution, PV ratio, BEP sales, and these are desired profit also. Okay. Chaliye. It's very easy. It's only depend on the questions information. You should know how to solve the problem. Now see. Question number 7. We have done thing, I think. 8 is no 8th, 9th one will do. If you want, you can do 7th one. 8th one also, if you want, you can do. This is given. You have to find out break even in units and rupees, or your wish. Now 9th one. Given sales is 1 lakh, profit is 10,000, variable cost is 70%. Find out. Now see, if variable cost is given in percentage. Variable cost is given in percentage. Now sales is given, profit is given, variable cost is given percentage. He is asking you to find out PV ratio, fixed cost, sales volume to earn profit of 40,000. Profit means desired profit. Okay. So these many things you have to find out. Okay. Chalo, let's start finding out. So first we have to find out contribution, because PV ratio formula is contribution by sales. We don't know contribution. So to find out contribution, we have sales, but we don't know variable cost. Percentage is given. So let us start solving this problem. So let me write everything what is given in the question. Question given, sales is given 1 lakh, okay. Profit is given 10,000, right. Variable cost percentage is given 70%. is saying we have written 70%. Next he is asking you to find out PV ratio. Okay, we'll find out. Next he is asking you to find out fixed cost. Next he is asking you to find out sales volume to earn a profit of rupees 40,000. Okay, so first we'll find out PV ratio. So PV ratio formula we know, contribution by sales into 100. Okay, so to find out PV ratio we have to find out contribution. Contribution formula is sales minus variable cost. We have sales 1 lakh, but we don't know variable cost. So we have to find out what? Variable cost. So variable cost, how to find out? It's very easy. Variable cost finding out is, what we'll do, we'll write here as sales into variable cost percentage. Okay, sales is 1 lakh into 70% means divided by 100. If you want to remove to percentage, you have to write divided by 100. So 1 lakh into 70 by 100 is 70,000. So we got sales variable cost 70,000. It's very easy. See, the variable percentage will be on sales. This percentage is given 70%. This will be on the sales only. This variable cost percentage will be on the sales. Okay. So we have written here variable first. See, you have to find out PV ratio. Formula is contribution by sales into 100. So we know we don't know contribution, sales we know. So contribution we have written sales minus variable cost. Sales we know, variable cost we don't know. So variable cost is sales into variable cost percentage. Okay. So how much is variable cost? Sales is 1 lakh. Variable cost percentage is 70. If you want to take out that percentage, you have to write denominator as 100. 70,000 you are getting. So I'm writing 70,000. We got variable cost. Simple maths. Very simple maths. It's very easy. You can easily solve. Okay. Understood? First I have found out PV ratio. To find out PV ratio, we don't know contribution. Okay, to count contribution, we formula sales minus variable cost. Again, we don't know variable cost. How to find out variable cost? Sales into variable cost percentage. Done. So we got sales variable cost 1 lakh minus 70. We got contribution. It's very easy. We can write here 30,000 as contribution. Done. Now can I find out? Yes, 30,000 is contribution divided by sales is 1 lakh into 100. I'll get how much percent? 30%. You do, you'll get 30% only. 1 lakh into 30 by 100, 30%, sorry, 30,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100, 30%. Okay, 30% I got. Now if we found out PV ratio, next we have to find out fixed cost. How to find out fixed cost? Fixed cost is there, contribution is 30,000. Wait. See this. What is profit? Yes. In what profit has done? Oh, profit is given. Okay. So profit is given 10,000. So we have to find out fixed cost now. Roman number 2 is fixed cost. See, this desired profit is different and this profit is different. To find out fixed cost, we have to take this profit, not desired profit. Take this profit for fixed cost, not desired profit. This is different, this is different. Okay. So fixed cost we have to find out. So how to find out fixed cost? We are taking example of contribution formula. So contribution formula is contribution. How to find out? We have two formulas: fixed cost plus profit. This is one formula to find out contribution. So we know contribution. How much is contribution? 30,000. Fixed cost plus profit is 10,000. You know this formula, right? We are what we are taking. How to find out fixed cost? We are taking help of contribution. This we have done in earlier problems also. We can say contribution as fixed cost plus profit. Yes, contribution 30,000, fixed cost is we don't know, profit we know 10,000. So send this to equal to that side. 30,000 minus 10,000 equal to fixed cost. So fixed cost will be 20,000. Done. Yes, we got fixed cost also. So we got fixed cost, we got PV ratio, and we can find out now sales to earn desired profit. We will find BEP also. We can find out BEP, right? So let us find BEP also. He did not ask in question, but we will find out BEP. See, break even point. Units. Okay. Rupees also we can find out. Okay. First we'll find out rupees, units. So BEP formula is what? Fixed cost divided by PV ratio. How much is fixed cost? Fixed cost is 20,000. PV ratio is 30%. So 20,000 divided by 30%. Divided by PV ratio is 30%, right? 66,666. So 66,666 we are getting 66. Okay. Next we have to find out fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Yes, every contribution also we can say. When it is not given, that's a problem. Now we can find out fixed cost is 20,000 into 1 lakh don't know. Chale, desired profit. Calculation of sales to earn a profit of rupees 40,000. Okay, so we have to find out sales volume. How much units we have to, how much value of rupees we have to sell so that to earn profit of 40,000. So formula we know, fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. Okay, fixed cost we know. How much is fixed cost? Fixed cost is given 20,000 at 20,000. Profit, which profit you have to take? You have to take desired profit, not this profit. This profit you have to take desired profit. Okay, sales volume desired profit you have to take 40,000 divided by 30%. Okay, 60,000 divided by 30% you do. So you know how to do, right? 60,000 divided by 30, you have to press percentage, you get 2 lakh rupees. Okay, to earn a profit of rupees 40,000 you have to sell goods rupees worth 2 lakh rupees. Okay, so you have to sell 2 lakh rupees worth of goods to earn profit of 40,000. Okay, wait, 2 lakhs minus 70 and 30. Two lakhs. One lakh 40 now. Yes. Sales is double, fixed cost also double. Easy. See, if you sell 2 lakh rupees units, you will earn profit of rupees 40,000. If you sell 2 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees sales, if you do, you will earn 40,000 rupees. Let us check, right? Cross check. See, we will write MC equation. You cross check. Sales is 2 lakhs. Variable cost is 70%. So 2 lakhs 70% will be 1,40,000. On this you have to do percentage. 2 lakhs into 70%. Excuse me. So you get 60,000 as contribution minus fixed cost 40,000. Oh, sorry, 20,000. So the earning profit of 50,000. Okay, to earn a profit of 40,000 you have to sell goods worth rupees 2 lakhs. Is it? This is asking you to find out. So how to find out? So to say if you sell 2 lakh rupees goods, we will earn 40,000 profit. See, here we have done. Formula is fixed cost plus desired profit by PV ratio. We have done. Okay, we got sales. So we will check either we are getting 40,000 profit or not properly. We are substituting. So 2 lakh sales, variable cost is 70%. We have done. Contribution we got. Fixed cost is 20,000. Given we have found out profit is 40,000. Clear? Easy. Like this we have to solve. So in this problem, what we have done? We have first find out PV ratio. So PV ratio find formula is contribution by sales into 100. Contribution we don't know, so we have written sales minus variable cost. Again variable cost we don't know, we find out variable cost. Sales into variable cost percentage we have done. In the question sales is 1 lakh 70,000. You will get confused, sir, you have taken 2 lakhs here and 1 lakh here. This both are different. This is different, this is different. Okay, the PV ratio we have find out. How much? 30%. Fixed cost we have find out. Contribution, which formula we have taken. Contribution for help we have taken, and we have find out fixed cost. Fixed cost plus profit. Fixed cost we don't know. 30 minus 10 is 20,000 is fixed cost. Then BEP did not ask, even though we find out BEP, and he asked you to find out sales to earn profit of 40,000. The sales volume, fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. So 20 plus 40, 60,000 divided by 30%, 2 lakhs we are getting. If we sell goods worth rupees 2 lakhs, we get profit of 40,000. We have cross checked. MC equation I am writing. Sales minus variable cost, contribution minus fixed cost equal to profit. Okay, sales I have written 2 lakhs. Percentage on this 20% means 1 lakh 40. Contribution 60,000. Fixed cost is we have find out 20,000. The profit is 40,000. Okay, like this we have to do. Done. So I want you to solve one problem. Similar problem is there. I want you to solve this problem. See, 10th problem. From the following data, calculate BEP expressed in amount in rupees, and number of units to be sold per year is 60,000 is given. selling price is given, variable cost is given, both variable cost you direct add 11 plus 3 14, factory 5 lakh 40, and the fixed selling cost is 2 lakh 52. Both you add, you will get fixed cost. Okay, otherwise I'll solve. Wait. So I'm not writing the question, I'm directly solving. Example number here in the textbook is 10, so I'm writing 10. Okay, you copy this question in your notes. So first you have to find out fixed cost. Okay, wait. First he asked you to find out fixed cost and BEP. What he asked, BEP in rupees he asked, and he asked you to find out sales volume. Okay, sales volume, number of units he asking, number of units. Sales volume, not sales volume, in units is asking. So we can easily find out units also. Units is a different formula. Fixed cost plus desired profit by PV ratio by contribution per unit will do. We'll get that answer. Okay. So first we'll find out contribution. Okay. First BEP, right? So wait. First we have to find out BEP. How to find out BEP? Fixed cost by PV ratio. So we don't know fixed cost, we don't know PV ratio. So next we will write here fixed cost. Next after one line we will write PV ratio. PV ratio formula we know, contribution by sales into 100. Okay. So first we will find out fixed cost. So fixed cost here we are having two values, 5,40,000, 5,40,000 plus 2,52,000. Add 540 plus 2,52,000, bring 7,92,000 as fixed cost. Got it. 7,92,000 as fixed cost. Okay. Second write here 7,92,000 as fixed cost. Divided by PV ratio now. PV ratio means contribution. We don't know contribution. So how to find out contribution? Contribution equal to sales minus variable cost. Sales is there. How much is sales? 20. Variable cost is 11 plus 3, 14. 20 minus 11 plus 3. 6 we are getting contribution. Okay. So 6 divided by 20 into 100. 6 divided by 20 into 100. 30% we are getting. Your contribution is 30%. Now write here 30%. So 7,92,000 into 30%. We are getting 2,37,600. Now wait. 7,92,000 divided by 30%. 26,40,000 we are getting. BEP units is 26,40,000. Okay, in rupees we are getting. And is asking you to find out number of units to be earned to earn a profit. You find this number of units to be sold to earn desired profit. Right, same formula, number of units to be sold, fixed cost plus desired profit divided by contribution per unit. Fixed cost is 7,92,000. Desired profit in the question is given 60,000. Right, 60,000 divided by 6, contribution per unit. You will get 1,40,000 as answer. Okay, easy to find out this. And the problems which I am solving, please practice. Do practice. Okay. Thank you.